Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to use watercolors for the second time and paint this Jeep that I used to own way back in the 90s. It was one of my favorite vehicles of all time. So let's get started. Okay, you'll see here that I did take the liberty of sketching out the Jeep with a pencil on the paper beforehand, and then I did wet it down some of the area of the Jeep with just with water to get started. And I am trying to get a pretty dark value to begin with of the brown, because the color of the Jeep, the original Jeep, was very a rich chocolatey brown. The other thing that I wanted to make sure of is that I wet enough of the area to make sure I could get different values of the brown to show off the lines of the Jeep. I didn't really want to have to outline the whole Jeep with black marker, but so and again, I'm a pretty junior or very amateur watercolor painter, and so this is all experimentation for me to learn about values and wet on wet versus the dry technique. And as I go through this, I will stop periodically to let you know about different things that I'm doing, but in between I will let you enjoy the music accompaniment. So I hope you enjoyed this process, and please, if you like this video, like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment. I am still starting out and would love your support. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, you'll notice here as I'm doing the tires, I am trying to get some different values of the black in order to create some shading in certain areas. So anywhere where I feel like the tire would be in shade or be covered by something else, or different values of light. I was trying to get some darker values. I did struggle a bit with getting the different colors as I move forward, but you'll see there's different shading. By the end result, I did get a bit of shading, but I didn't do a great job with the different values here. But again, it was a good lesson to try to figure out how to get it and how to start out with the different pigments and how much water to use in order to get those different values. So that's what I'm doing here.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
Okay, here's the final product. I did make a card out of it with a little bit of Photoshop additions, and it's ready to go.